Hello, baby. Hello, baby. Oh, you trying to bite me? You're so pretty. Oh, I know. I know. We just got some seeds. It's a baby. It's a baby. You're just a baby. Hello. You're so pretty. He wants to come home with me.
He does, yeah.
Hello. Look, watch. Come on to mommy. Come on. Hello. Hello. Yeah. Hello. Hello. Oh, he wants me to rub him. He's only $800.
Right.
Look.
Yeah.
We just came to get seeds to try to rescue a bird, and I'm going to end up with an $800 bird.
$800 bird.
Oh, look,
Probably
he's...
don't get on with everybody.
He doesn't want to live in there.
No, I'm sure he doesn't.
Oh, look. Are you itchy, darling? I might come back, okay? I might come back, okay? Hello. 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 Look. Look. Hello. 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 Look, he's doing it. Hello. 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 Oh my goodness, did you see it?
Yeah. Big stretch.
Oh. I have to get him. That's amazing.